just got up from this good sleep and I'm really tired because I have to freaking go to work. I'm just gonna go eat at work. Because I don't want to eat at my house because I don't have a fridge and I'm too poor for it. Let's just go. I forgot which way I was supposed to go, but that's okay. I hate freaking work. This car has terrible steering. Jesus. Pizza place is almost there. I'm just gonna order me some food from there. I'm just gonna park right here. I swear if you go and move. And just run. Just run. I'm trying to get me some food. Let me order food. Slice of pizza. And I might just go work somewhere else. What am I in the mood for? I might just... this pizza is so good. Here, have that. Well, let's just go to work at the whatchamacallit. Go to work at the mechanic. You want... Okay. Paint. There, you're done. You're done, sir. Leave. Red. Just paint this red. You're done too, sir. You're done, sir. Leave. You need gas. There you go, sir. Let me guess you want tires. Yes, these type of tires. Change front wheel. And change back wheel. You're done, sir. There you go. I'm gonna guess you want paint. Red paint. Nope, wrong paint. Red paint. Sorry if I sprayed you on accident, sir. It's not gonna change your outfit. I know that was fast. And next, black. You'd like black. Nope, you're not done. I'm not done. Sorry for you for your pants. You're not even matching, sir. How do you tie your bow tie? You're welcome. So you want racing tires? Here you go. Change front. Let me get some more for you, sir, since you're so kind. There you go, done. Cool. Man, you're not kind anymore. Green freaking paint. No, you already have green freaking paint, dark green. Sorry for spraying you on the back. Where is your shoes, sir? You need shoes to come in here. Yes, just got promoted at work. Ew, you have the ugliest tires. Better than the last one. Fantastic. That is fantastic. My pleasure. And you did like... Ew. I don't like these type of tires. In my opinion, sports... You'd like black. That was my bad, sir. paint this. So, you said brown. You do like gas. Let's go get the gas. There we go. Awesome. Next, wear your shoes, sir. Since I'm so generous, I'll paint your shoes. Get out of my store. You do like sport wheels. I love sport wheels. Where are you taking that bike? Alright. Let me just put your tires on. Even though I hate the color of your bike. You're welcome. You're probably the 5th person that said it. These wheels again. I hate these wheels. But it's what you like, so just take some. Change back wheel. It really is cute. Cool. I think you're gay though. Alright, so I'm getting your stuff. Anyone want to fill up the line over there? Nope. Okay. Okay. I might go get some food after this. We'll have some fun. There you go. Then you break the tablet. And wipe the tablet. There. You're welcome, man. My hands are really dirty. You want purple? Good option. Good option. You should have just kept the color. It's pretty nice. Sorry, Where are your shoes, sir? I'm not gonna bother it. But I do. But you guys do need tires. I mean, shoes to come in here. So, oh. Did y'all know that y'all two got the same outfit but different bikes? Yeah. Yeah, dude, I know. Oh, yeah, that's... oh, yeah, that's radical, dude. You, sir? Yeah. Oh, y'all two? Man, do y'all know each other? Y'all probably do.
Are you at the gym?
No.
Are you recording
Yes.
the microphone?
Yes. Come on, you'd like oil. Oil for the bike, because this is a bad oil. That has bad oil. Oh my, your oil tank is half almost empty and it's dirty.
Wait, somebody built a gym in your server?
Does it look like I'm at the gym? Anyways, here you go, sir. Take your time. Have a good day. Get out of your tire there. Your bike is nice. Alright. Here you go, sir. Man, I like your hat. Where'd you get it? From the store. Oh, that's real nice. Alright. Have a great day. This is all on the house, y'all. Alright, you like black. Nice moped. Is it stock or... No. No, it's not, sir. You don't gotta call me, sir. I'm not your father. Alright, nice bike, by the way. Yes, I just got promoted. Thanks, and you're welcome. Well, do you want me to change the color of your bike? It's kind of doo-doo green, not to be rude. And your oil is very super duper low. So let me just fill it up real quick. Okay, small tires or small moped. Pretty sure you already have these tires. Yeah, you already have these tires. But I guess those ran out. You're welcome, sir. Hello, I'd like... Oh, we love these tires. Well, you're not the first person to get these tires. You're probably like the 5th or 6th. I'm pretty sure I seen you earlier. But yeah, y'all, you guys are just gonna have to go back. I'm doing one more customer, then I'm gonna go back to my house, okay, y'all? This tire is too, okay. I need to go home, get some rest for another long day at the shift. Alright. Bye, y'all. Y'all get up out of my place, no. And And let me cash out. Oh, I gotta run all the way over here. Where is my car?
Am I gonna edit again?
Where the freak is my car? Well, I guess we're gonna have to TP home. Alright. Who took my car home? Let me unlock the door. Close it. And I think I need a
That's just kind of clean.
fridge. Okay, let me change my clothes and get in the shower. Man, I don't care. I'm just gonna shower with my clothes on.
Kind of looks like Jose.
Ah, it feels so good. I was so dirty. Man, I forgot to get my freaking washcloth. I guess I'll just dry off by the air.
Vincent, you should have gotten your. Why are you showering with your clothes on?
Okay, so let me just go back in my bedroom. Well, this person's bedroom. Anyone who comes in my house bedroom. Just gonna sleep naked. Okay. Since no one's in this house, I can do whatever I want. Now we're just gonna go to sleep and wait till tomorrow.